Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best cordless drills that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the DeWalt Atomic 20 volts Max Brushless Compact 1/2 in drill/driver kit. Large diameter holes were easily drilled without bogging down or stalling. The drill has a 20-volt battery, 1/2 inch chuck, 2-speed settings with a maximum of 1,650 revolutions per minute, and 340 unit watts out of torque, the amount of force with which the drill turns the bit. This compact drill measures a mere 6.3 inches in length and weighs only 2.4 pounds, including the battery, but it's no weakling. In addition to testing this drill in our lab, we also took it home to see how it holds up in real-world conditions. We used it for a variety of home improvement projects, including installing deck boards, assembling an outdoor patio couch, hanging pictures, and drilling pilot holes for anchors and screws. Moving on. At number 4, we have the Skil Pwrcore 12 brushless 12 volts. For everyday use, we love how accessible this drill is. 5 minutes on the charger is enough to get you through 30 minutes of drilling, so it's basically always ready to go. We also found the built-in LED light extremely useful when repairing a hot tub. The positioning can get in the way a little, but having that bright light just where you need it is great. At number 3, we have the Bosch PS3112 Volt Max 3. If you want a cordless drill that packs as much power as many much larger drills yet is still small enough to tote around your property easily, check out the Bosch PS3112A. Although it's a 12-volt model, it has plenty of speed, with a maximum of 1,300 revolutions per minute, and with 265 inch-pounds of torque, it also has plenty of power. In our tests, this drill drove screws easily, and the clutch was sensitive to seating screws at the right depth. Impressive for a 12-volt drill. At number 2, we have the DeWalt MAX XR DCD996P2 20. Hammer drills add a hammering motion to the back of the bit, which provides the power needed to drill into tough material like concrete. The DeWalt XR DCD996P2 provides way more power than needed for hanging pictures or other light tasks, but it is ideal for heavy-duty projects. We had no problem drilling 1.5 inch holes through 2X material, and it also drilled 3/8 inch holes in concrete without slowing down. And finally, at number 1, we have the Milwaukee 2904. This powerful drill runs off an 18-volt battery, has a 1/2 inch chuck, 16 clutch settings, 2-speed settings with a top speed of 2,100 revolutions per minute, 1,400 inch-pounds of peak torque, and up to 33,000 blows per minute in hammer mode, giving this tool enough power to tackle just about anything. Despite its power, this is a fairly compact drill, measuring just a bit under 7 inches in length. That lets you work even in tight quarters. Plus, it has a variety of safety features that are important on the job site, including auto-stop control should the drill bit become caught. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.